Let's continue with chapter 1. Artificial intelligence is one of the area of computer science that deals with machines which can think, take decisions, perform and react like humans. Some of the activities that an artificially intelligent computer can do are as follows: speech recognition, planning, learning and problem solving. Next topic is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. In this, machines analyze data to identify patterns and make decisions with minimal human interventions. A self-driving Google car is an example of machine learning. Next topic is robotics. This is the field in which machines called robots that are made to do the work that otherwise humans do. Efforts are being made to develop intelligent robots who would take decisions and perform just like humans. Nowadays, robots can do all the works like human beings. Let's move to the another topic. Electronic school books means e-school books. Nowadays, as we are taking the online classes, here you can see that you are reading with e-books. Parents, educators and governments wants children to have access to knowledge from any source at any time. Traditional books are a great source for learning, but they don't give the ability to view or learn from what the education websites can give. The display mechanism for an e-school book is as important as children's health. A lot of manufacturers offers filters for blue light, but the latest trend is to use e-paper, which is nothing but a display device that mimics the appearance of ordinary ink on paper. It has a low cost and consumes very less power. Writing surface. The e-writing surfaces like remarkable paper tablet help in unhindered reading, writing and sketching experience using an e-paper display supported by an operating system. Charts and whiteboards, these are also used by the companies and many schools alike. Like in our school, we use smart boards. These boards are used for study. Smart surface. The concept of Internet of Things or IoT is not new. It is fast becoming a part of everyday life. For these kinds of products, a very high-end display would not be required. Just a small, inexpensive, easy to read and able to last a long time on the same battery display would be sufficient. E-paper currently being used on shelf labels would be useful for this type of application as well as for home appliances also. Next topic is wearables. Wearable technology is another new trend. You must have seen people wearing fitness bands and smart watches to monitor limited things like counting steps and heart rates. Now, sensors are increasingly being designed into gloves, clothes, exercise wears, etc. A device that touches the skin can help monitor a lot of bodily changes such as tracking skin temperature, providing blood oxygen level or monitoring hydration by measuring skin salt level. A smartwatch may also function the same way, which has a robust flexible display fit to work in extreme environments. Sunlight, readability, low power and video capability are all changes that these applications have to address. Ultimate TV. The current TV market is driven by two competing technologies, namely organic light emitting diode OLED and liquid crystal display LCD. OLED offer lifelike images, vivid colors and high resolution, while LCDs are less costly and render a decent image that continue to challenge supremacy of OLED. My dear students, whatever technologies that have been discussed in the lesson is by no means exhaustive and everyday newer developments are coming up. This lesson gives a glimpse of what is available and what is expected in the next few years. The lesson is about encouraging the learner to get updated with technology in the modern world.